we took her in for a checkup, we noticed it was a mammary tumor.
Wow.
And she
Make sure to check out my channel for more videos just like this. Here we are today at the Big Cat Rescue in Tampa, Florida. Now, I do want to put a full disclosure out. So this was recorded back in 2018 before the Tiger King phenomenon. So even though that was an extremely interesting show and it was great, I suggest everyone should watch it. This will not be a political video. I'm not taking sides. I'm just showing what I actually went to. Now, I will mention that the owner, Carol Baskin, that was in that documentary, does own this particular property. Well, one of the properties I'm going to show today. So just be prepared, but it's strictly about my review of going to the place, not about the owner herself. Alright, so of course you drive up to the place. It's pretty far back in the woods. It's nice and secluded from the rest of the city of Tampa. And then when you first get there, of course they have a gift shop that you walk through. Now, I didn't personally buy anything, but it was a pretty decent size. And then as far as our tour guide, we had an intern, which are usually interns and volunteers. He had a royal blue shirt on, so he had been there for a while, and he was really knowledgeable about the things that went on at the park. And you could tell he really cared about the animals there. He also showed us this, which is actually pretty sad, but this is the official USDA tiger enclosure, so this is how big they have to be legal, which I think is just crazy. So they have that on display. And then, of course, they have the animals as well. Now, one thing I do want to mention is this place is completely hands-off. So just a quick tip, like I said, this hands-off to the cats. They really respect the animals there. And if you didn't know, it's your boy, MrBucketlist. Now, this place only deals with actual cats, so you're not going to see a big variety of animals like you will at the second sanctuary I'm going to show in this video. But it's still, if you love big cats, they're everywhere here. It's a good amount of them. Now, another tip I want to give is during the tour itself, they're going to have, the guy's going to be speaking to you, but they give you optional headsets to put on. They're recyclable, so you just literally give them back, or you can just thumb them on once you're done. But the little headsets, so you can actually hear what's going on, what's being said about each one of the enclosures. If I'm not mistaken, I believe we stopped at about either 20 or 30 enclosures, and finally I was like, man, it's hot, I'm ready to go. But like I said, it is a lot of cats there. Now, like I said, they also give a lot of education about the animals, like what they like to do for play and when they need to have their vacation time, when they basically are stressed and need to be away from other animals and things like that. So, I mean, they do give you some information that's pretty cool, but I mean, like I said, if you're on the fence of places like this and SeaWorld, I recommend just not going because you'll probably be upset. But for me, I really, really enjoyed it. Now, another big tip I would like to show you all is make sure to bring a camera with a good zoom. This place, like I said, is hands off, and the animals are pretty far away, and they're like in double type cages, so it's almost kind of hard to see the animals. It's really hard to get good pictures. So if you can see the difference of some of the videos I took versus some of the videos I actually found, I mean, I wish I had a zoom for at least for this one. But like I said, I'll go into my next one in a little bit. This is going to be a quick look at a second wildlife sanctuary that's in Spring Hill, Florida, which is about 45 minutes away from the actual one in Tampa. This one I actually enjoyed a lot more, and this is some of the reasons why. First, as you can see, this is actually located on someone's property. And this guy, he's truly hands-on with all his cats and pretty laid back. The price for two people was literally a fraction of the cost for Big Cat Rescue. Big Cat Rescue is about $30 or $40 per person, and that didn't include feeding the animals. This one included the feedings as well, and we got two people in for about $11. So, I mean, it was amazing. Another thing I want to show as well is, as you can see right now, you see that squatting now with cell phones. So those are actually our personal cell phones and our personal cameras they use to get these up-close shots like this. So I mean, it's really cool if you want to get some really good footage without having a zoom. You can literally do it here. I had a GoPro Hero 4 and a Samsung Galaxy S5 at the time period, and these are the shots I got. Another thing as well is there's a multitude of animals. You have just a little bit of just random animals, but it's still cool to see more things than just big cats. And then, like I said, you get really close. I mean, some people are kind of scared because you're so close. And then you'll see in this video when the cats did get a little agitated and we had to end the show because of it. Check it out right here.
Come on, go ahead. Oh. Good baby. Sasha.
This one was saying that it's also a very healing thing.
All right. Well, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up there. Give her a chance to eat.
Other than that little mishap, I mean, it was actually a really good time. You could tell this guy, at least for the most part, cared a lot about his animals. Like I said, some people don't like the hands-on approach. Some people don't like to see the animals in general. So, I mean, it's truly up to you. Like I said, this isn't a political channel. I'm not here trying to force anybody or go against anybody. I'm just here to just kind of review stuff and keep it moving. So with that said, for the big cat rescue, that one I would say maybe try it out. I really think this other one in Spring Hill, Florida is just a better option in my opinion because of the price and everything like that. But if you don't like seeing people touching animals like that, then maybe Big Cat's for you. And then for the Wildlife Survival Sanctuary, I would say that one's a must-do for big cat lovers. I enjoyed it. It was cheap. I actually bought some stuff from the gift shop, and it was a nice family feel to it. So, like I said, again, this is not to go along with those crazy documentaries that's out right now. This is just me trying to play catch up on my channel. So anyway, you all, it's Mr. Bucket List. If you don't mind subscribing to my channel, thank you all for watching and see you soon. Peace. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.